Hello, I'm Leona from Guangzhou Industry, a professional manufacturer of school furniture and public seating. Today, I'm going to introduce a practical and versatile products. Let's explore these products.
Fiber reinforced PP and premium breathable mesh. High-density molded seat cushion and aluminum alloy connector supports a tiltable back for added comfort. Movable PP armrest. Practical and portable. Featuring an aluminum writing tablet, smooth and easy to store.
This chair is designed for modern school and is also perfect for training room, meeting space, and multifunctional environments.
Thanks for watching.